I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up app time limits with screen time on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step is to open your settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and find the screen time section and open that. Next, we're going to open the app limits section and toggle this switch on. Now here, I already have some limits set up, but you can add a limit here. And then you can either select by category and have the time limits apply to specific categories, or you can open up each of these categories and select the individual apps that you want to set your time limits to. Now, for instance, I'm going to click all of these social apps and click next. Now here you can set up the time limits. So I would limit myself to 1 hour every day of any social app. You can customize the days so that it only allows on, let's say, Monday through Friday, and then Sunday's different. You can change Sunday to 4 hours and Saturday to 4 hours if you like, and then go back. Then you can click add, and now your app time limits are set, and you will not be able to use those apps outside of that specific set time.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.